welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dumating na rin. Oh, I have to speak in English pala because of in respect to my English people community, English people who subscribe to my channel, and thank you for that. And now our box came after 3 days from ordering. So I have a special guest with me, my cousin Casey, to explain all the things inside the box. So, since she asked me to buy some too. So, as previous video, we tried a different product. That is Claire's, Benton, and what's the toner?
All Benton.
Oh, all Benton. No, but the Claire's is a different one. So now, I looked into the website and I bought a different kind to try it and test it out. If it's gonna be okay with my skin. So, the first one we're gonna get from here is the all-time favorite of all the people,
Aloe vera gel from Nature Republic.
Yeah, this one is our favorite. This brand from Nature Republic, it's 92% aloe vera, and we always use it every day. It's been a long time we've been using this one. So, next one is
Toner.
Toner. Yes, this one. I ordered this one. That's my
New
one.
one. Yeah. It's a new one. Mizon.
Yeah, this is a new one for me. So I'm gonna try this one. It's from Mizon. It's an AAH and BHA.
Daily Clean Toner.
So their toner is different. The toner from here, we use the cotton and then put it in the face and rub it. With this one, I think it's you just put it in your palm and then just rub it.
It's like my
Like
Benton one.
Plump like that.
I'm using different one.
Yeah.
This one is the one I'm using.
Yeah, this one is from our previous video. We use this one.
The
So
Benton
it's
one.
really good too. That's the
Skin
one we
toner
just
too.
put in our palm and then put it on our face. And the next one is
This one is Essence.
Essence. Yeah,
Yeah.
after the toner, we use
Essence.
Essence.
It's the same from this one.
All the products I think I bought is from Mizon. So I'm gonna try their product. So we'll see what's gonna happen.
This one is the one she will use, and the one I use is this one.
Her favorite, Benton.
Yes.
And then the next one is
The serum one. Yeah.
is that mine?
Yes.
Okay.
You use the Benton one.
Yeah, so I don't know what I've ordered, but as long as I ordered 4 kinds like toner, serum, essence, and moisturizer.
Yes.
So I need those 4 kinds. So, cause especially if it's winter, my skin really gets dry, so I really need to hydrate it. So I'm gonna use this Cacao Moist and Mild Serum from Benton.
Yes. But me, I use Claire's.
Yeah, she's her face got used to it, and it makes a big difference to her face, so she's always using Claire's.
Yes.
Then the next one is Mizon Snail Recovery Gel Cream. So this is the final face you're gonna do in the morning. Aside from this
Cream
doesn't have SPF, eh?
No.
So after this, I need to put SPF on my face. Sunscreen protection. Even though it's winter, you really need to put some on your face. And
That's it, I think.
is that it?
Yeah. Because
And
mostly
then,
it's
because we got a lot of people ordering, because they know that we always order, so they asked us to order for them. So if you guys want to order some of this product, you can just text me or Casey, then we'll just do the ordering for you if you don't like ordering online.
because there's a limit. I think 65.
Yeah,
50,
because
50,
if you
depends.
order, because if you only want this one, and then you will still need to pay for the shipping and handling. So if you order like $65 and above, it's a free delivery. So only the tax, well, it's always included that we need to pay, but the shipping and handling is free. So we still got eye cream. Her favorite eye cream. Snail. Well, people most of the people I see in doing this beauty products, trying it out, they always recommend those who have high snail content because they said it's really good. That's it for us now, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.